Traditional Tiki torches can be hard to light, are messy, and have an open flame. Ouch! And worse, they smoke and can leave you breathing in dangerous fumes. And electrical outdoor lighting requires wiring and is hard to install. Introducing the solar-powered Tiki light, the incredible weatherproof LED light with a realistic-looking dancing flame. It's amazing! Best of all, Tiki lights are safe and never get hot. They stay cool to the touch. Simply attach the included pole and then the stake for the ground. It has a built-in solar charger on top and a light sensor so it turns on and off automatically. It's so easy. Just place Tiki light where you want it and it's done. The best part is Tiki light's flame looks so realistic. You'll love it. Look again. The built-in light sensor automatically turns on when it's dark. They're hassle-free. Use them to light up a nighttime path for safety and style. Make a garden gate beautiful and inviting. Look, open flames are dangerous. Ouch! But Tiki Light's solar-powered LED lights never get hot and stay cool and safe to the touch. Tiki Light has an incredible and realistic-looking dancing flame and has a convenient built-in on-off switch.
The Tiki Light is great. It installs in seconds, and it's solar-powered, so there's no wiring. And the Tiki Light has a built-in light sensor, so it comes on at night and off when the sun comes up. And the best part is, there's no open flame, so it doesn't get hot. I don't have to worry about the kids or the dog getting burned.
Tiki lights are the incredible solar-powered weatherproof LED outdoor lights you'll love. Other solar torches cost up to $100. That burns. Call right now and get the amazing Tiki lights for just $19.99. But wait, there's more. Now you can double the offer. Just pay a separate fee. You can get 2 Tiki lights for just $19.99. That's everything you see here for just $19.99. This is a limited time TV offer, so hurry and click or call right now.